Hey, good morning. Here is our weekly check-in video starting tomorrow, the week of May 12th. So tomorrow the Block 2 worksheet answers will be available again, as always. This week you're only going to do one lesson, 2.3, on similar and congruent figures. So as always, you have the slideshow to work from, to have access to the video and the lessons, the worksheets. The quiz for 2.3 looks like this. So you will have your questions at the beginning. Section 2. This week I have just images of your questions. So side PA corresponds to what other side for this second figure that you see. So you will have your side options. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 questions regarding that. And then your last question, determine the scale factor for this similar figure. So you will have to figure out the scale factor, and there is only one possible answer for all of these. So just like last week, you will get immediate feedback on your quiz on how you did. The next thing I want to go over is your Friday choice board. So I'm actually giving you 2 days for your Friday choice. So we'll start on Thursday and Friday. If you need Thursday to take an extra day to go over 2.3 before you take the quiz, that is just fine. You can have that extra day and then only do your Friday choice on Friday instead of doing 2. So with your Friday choice board, I wanted to actually show you, because last week I had a lot of comments regarding that this is in fact not new. It is. So the Khan Academy and the Prodigy activities, when you go in here, are new activities that have been assigned to you. Now, you do not have to complete all of the activities that are assigned. I'm just giving you a lot of options. I noticed last week a lot of you really enjoyed number 5, the cooking option. So I wanted to show you that because the whole idea behind this cooking activity is that you are, it's the process of thinking through a recipe and adjusting the number of servings desired. So it's proportional reasoning thinking. So let's say you need 3 cups or 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and you are dividing the recipe in half. Well, how many cups of sugar would you need if you were to divide that recipe in half? So when doing this cooking activity, there is math involved because you need to make your recipe based on the number of people that you are cooking for. It's not just following a recipe to make chocolate chip cookies and following the recipe on the back of the bag. That's not what this one is about. Okay, so I still have the sidewalk chalk for on nice days that you would like to do that, and the right outside your window. Now, the right outside your window is just taking about 5-10 minutes observing what you see, what goes by, anything that you may want to observe, but then demonstrating, collecting your data, and then giving me a timeline or a chart to nicely graph the information that you saw. So it's not just telling me that you saw 5 cars go by and you see 3 trees. It's actually turning your information into a graph. Okay, so, and then for the Friday choice board as well, one thing I'm running into is please make sure you are filling out the Friday the Friday Choice Board Google form. Okay, so that is next week.